Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to approve manual time in Time Doctor. Now, once you come to your dashboard, here at the top panel you'll see approvals, okay? I want you to click on this and you'll see all the pending approvals right here. So the other user in your team, they basically come here under edit time and let's say they put in this for approval, okay? They click here on save and now this should be sent to us for approval. So let's come back here and let us refresh this page, okay? And we should see that request right here with the name, when it was requested on, for what project, what task. So you can see right here, the approval is pending. Now the way you go about and approve this, you click here, the status, right? Click on this drop down, then you either choose approved or disapproved. Now in this case, we'll approve this manual time. So click on approved, and then there you go. We've approved this time for this user. Now that is how to approve manual time in Time Doctor.